We've been talking about breaking metal uh, in a vise in order to get the right sizes that we want to make our frames, and I thought I'd take the opportunity, after having broken the frame pieces, to show you how to dress the edges to sort of tidy everything up and make sure everything's nice and square and ready for cutting out the frames. I've just finished breaking this piece of metal off in my bending bars. I used, because it's quite long, I used the ruler as a support, which works pretty well. This is the waste piece. It's quite wobbly on the edge, which is okay because the bit we want is in there. Now I'm going to take the piece we're after out of my bending bars. I've got this brilliant, it's a bike repair kit set of Allen keys, and it's great for this sort of thing. It's more difficult to lose than an ordinary Allen key, and it's also it's got quite a lot of heft on it because of the handle. There we go. Right, so that's the piece. This is one of the pieces for the frames. The broken edge is quite rough. I don't know, it's some sort of crystalline effect of the metal, so we need to deal with that, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So I'll just get rid of the bending bars from my vise and just gently clamp the metal in the vise. It's quite sharp as well, so watch out for sharp edges. And gently but firmly hold that in the vise. Just shift it down a wee bit. When you're doing this, watch out you don't catch the edges because you'll bend it, and you really don't want to do that. You've got a nice piece of metal there. Now, what I'm going to do is draw file this edge to make it smooth. This is quite a big old file, and all you do is just gently move it up and down at 90 degrees to the metal, and you can see the rough pieces just disappear. I'm not putting much pressure on. If you want to, you can do half of the metal at a time, because I am worried about bending the ends a little. So do that. Obviously don't do too much on one end and not enough on the other. I'll just do this bit for now. If you want, you can change for a finer file, and as long as you do it gently and smoothly, you'll get a nice smooth, still, straight 90 degrees edge. Now all I need to do is turn that around and then do this bit. I'll show you this one. I've got a nice, well, it's getting there. I need to do a little bit more. Good 90 degrees. So that's draw filing, moving the file at 90 degrees to the edge to give you a nice smooth edge.